Oh, hey guys, so I did a thing. Yeah, I'll show you what I did. So why just have one Beewee when you can have three? All right, I'll take these puppies out and see how it went. All right, here we go. I haven't ever seen a Beewee this colour. It's like a gunmetal grey. It looks pretty cool. Bring this one in. This will go straight on the hoist. So, had a little mishap. Yeah, so here we go. This is the grey one, or metallic grey. It's got chair in the seat and whatnot. That'll go in the bin. So I don't know what this rack thing is here. So the story is, it was last registered in 2023, so it's 2 years out of rego. But got them as a pair. Apparently this Kickstarter is not engaging for whatever reason. So the guy purchased this white one for spare parts. So yesterday picked up these two little Beewees. So behind me is the grey one up on the hoist, and just behind the heater, it's freezing this morning. Got the white one here. It's a bit sad, but oh, so let's see what happens. So we'll get into it. I want to have a look inside the engine before I get too involved. I've got a battery. I've got to put it on charge, but I want to see what's the motor's like. If it's completely seized or munted, there's no point putting battery on charge and whatever else. So I'll get the cover off, spark plug off, and have a look inside the camera. With the camera, let's go. Oh, I need my glasses. Oh, there it is. Hey, there's a battery in there. What's going on there? What's that hanging around like the breeze? Yeah, so I'm just looking at this Beewee. First problem is, he wasn't sure where the key was, and he said there's some keys in the top box that come with it, but that does not look like a Beewee key. That's more like a Beewee key, but this is maybe for the white one. So that works in there. But I don't think that's the... It wouldn't make sense why you have two ignition switches. Unless it's in the boot. Is it in here? Oh. I'm going to get rid of this manky fluoro vest, but it's under the seat, and to get the seat up I need to turn the key. Let's see the white one. So I think my other option is I'll remove this front panel where the headlights are, and I should see the back of the switch, and I'll be able to pull the key, pull the cable, unlock the boot, and see what's going on. All right. I should use my little Boschy. Yeah, that was fun. I forgot my vacuum cleaner for my sandblasting cabinets died. So I thought I'll just give this coil. I found a lot of corrosion on the spade terminal on this coil, and I thought I'll just give it a quick soda, because the soda works really well on stuff like terminals. It's unreal. But his soda just went everywhere in the workshop. Even the flame on the old patio heater just was turning yellow, burning soda in the air. So yeah, today I think I better change that vacuum cleaner. All right, I'll throw this back in and see if I get spark. All right, done. So off camera, I actually got my Beewee out and I pulled the front cover off because I just wanted to check the ignition switch and how it wires up and all that. So I had this one wired up slightly wrong. Even though I had power to start it, the power wasn't going to the right spot. So I've got this back together. So now the plan is, I've got it a bit of a weak spark, intermittent spark. I believe it's just corrosion. It might be a corrosion between the pickup and the magneto. Something going on there, or just the terminals. But to get to all that, I've got to pull it apart. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to put this back together how I basically found it. And then I want to put the white one up and do the same thing before I finish for the day. So I'm going to try a time lapse and see how we go. I just took the cover off the white Beewee and it's had the same fate. So someone's taken the, at least this has got the belt. Look at the corrosion on there, eh? So yeah, that's that. Yeah, so that was my day playing with the Beewees I purchased yesterday. That was fun. Morning, I should say. So what I've got in my hand here is the ignition switch from the grey one. That this key doesn't work. I don't think this is the right key anyway. So I'm going to take this to a locksmith. Is this on? Yeah, I'm going to take this to a locksmith. So even though I put that aftermarket ignition switch to, get power to this switch, I forgot about this fifth wire. It's just a single wire, so I'm not too sure what it does. I've got a funny feeling that it's a resistor signal. So once you turn the ignition on, it sends current for a resistor and it comes out, and that's what makes it spark. So because both white and the grey one don't have spark, so that's weird. So I think ignition switch, that'll fix the issue in both. I think this white one's going to be more of a goer than the grey one, even though it looks like it's been, it was deeper in the pond. So, all right guys, until next time, see yous.